I'm going to show you how to make a scarphoid cast using a roll of the premium. So you're going to put your splint sock on there, and you're going to roll your undercast padding just as you would for a normal cast. Obviously, if your patient's got significant bony prominences, you're going to put a little bit extra padding over those areas. I'm going to take my roll of X-Lite premium. I'm just going to cut the plastic on the outside, but I'm actually going to leave the plastic in. It's got plastic in between the rolls. I'm going to put that whole roll into the splint pan. Once that's nice and soft, take it out, squeeze the water out, because remember, it's the water that's hot, not the actual casting material. First, I'm just going to pop a little piece around the patient's thumb. Just folding it over and wrapping it around. And fold your undercast liner over the top. And then I'm going to go about making the cast just as I would normally. Literally just unrolling as I go and folding it over by half with every turn. You don't need fancy scissors, you can just cut it with your normal scissors. Fold the edge over, the top edge over. And then get on with molding it. I like to mold it with the patient's hand pronated, forearm pronated, so that on the styloid is as prominent as it can be. Now what you can do if you'd like to is you can use your edging tape and just put a strip over the edges there. Create a really neat finish. So that's my scarphoid cast done. Very, very quickly. It is well ventilated, breathable, really light, and very, very strong. So that's completely cured in about 30 minutes. This is as hard as it's going to get. What I love about this is I now have the option of using standard scissors and making it removable. And then I could put Velcro straps on there to make it removable. Or we could split it down the back and hold it on with an elastic bandage, like a Coban. And down the track, when the patient doesn't need a full cast anymore, they just need a splint, you can then use the same one and just cut it down into a splint. So I'll show you how to do that next.